Greetings.
I'd at least leave you a groschen for that commemorative coin. I reckon that'd just make you angry. Easy, easy. Whoa!
It's almost odd how well things are going.
Oh, please. Enjoy the peace and quiet while it lasts.
See, that's what bothers me. That it ain't like this all the time.
You sure ain't easy to please.
I get it.
What's that? Oh, it's just you, eh? Uh-huh. Who just came barging in here? What does that mutt want over here? Call that beast to heel!
Sit and stay.
Quiet! Go away! That's more like it, that mangy mutt.
Who is...
Oh, everything is in its place. I heard something. Hey, you're not allowed here. That's it. Go now.
Grüß dich.
Hey, I heard something.
You can't just stroll around here without so much as a by your leave. Get going, right now!
Sorry,
Get moving!
but St. Barbara's is more in need of good luck.
Next time, don't come in here without permission. Someone should really do something about that.
Aye, I'm in a right bind. But what are friends for if not to help each other?
Great, it's a deal. Go ahead and tell Franz and Vashek too.
Hey? What is this racket here?
there's so many nails here. You won't miss just one.
Very odd. It must be over now, whatever it was. Hey! You can't just walk around here without permission.
I heard you're in need of money, friend.
Aye, true enough. I need to pay the tithes and give something to the church for my father's requiem mass.
Isn't it a bit early for that? Jesus Christ, I need some help.
I brought you the axe.
Not so loud! Did anyone see you? If I have any problems because of you...
What are you afraid of? How could anyone tell that that missing horseshoe is in the axe?
Well, in one like that, certainly not. Nice work. Here's the coin. And you know what? Try and stop by and see Master Eldris, the local founder here. You might learn something new from him. Thank you, Henry. My father would certainly be proud of my work. Until we meet again.